If you've been arrested, charged with a crime, or under criminal investigation, should you delete your social media accounts? The answer to that question is coming right up. Welcome back to Gustitislaw. If you're new here to Gustitislaw, I'm Steve Gustitis, and this is my channel. I post weekly videos just like this one on how to effectively navigate the criminal justice system, how to defend criminal charges, and how to manage encounters that you may have with the police. If you'd like to become part of the Gustitislaw community, then consider subscribing to my channel. You can do that by hitting the red subscribe button down below or that capital black and white G down in the lower right-hand corner of the video screen. I also enjoy responding to your questions and your comments, so add those down in the comment section below and we can begin a discussion to answer those questions. In any case, I appreciate you being here and thanks for watching. What should you do with your social media accounts if you've been arrested, if you've been charged with a crime, or if you are under criminal investigation? In a prior video, I discussed 3 ways that social media accounts could be used against you in court and impact the defense of your criminal case. A link to that video is provided to you down in the description section below. But knowing that what my clients post on their social media can be used against them in court, my standard advice is to delete or to deactivate those accounts. There are some exceptions to that rule, but my general advice is to protect yourself in that way. And I don't mean to set your accounts to private either. I believe that police are smart enough to be able to crack a privacy code on a social media account if they wanted to. So the most conservative advice is to delete or to deactivate those accounts. There are some exceptions to the standard advice of deleting or deactivating your social media. Sometimes there may be evidence on your social media accounts that is important in the defense of your case. So it would be very, very wise of you to discuss with your criminal defense lawyer the material that is contained on those accounts before you decide whether or not to delete them or to deactivate them. The second exception to my standard advice about deleting or deactivating your social media accounts involves tampering with evidence. If your social media account contains evidence that proves that you committed the crime for which you are charged, and you also know that a police criminal investigation is in process, by deleting that evidence, you possibly commit the felony offense of tampering with evidence. So the way to avoid committing tampering with evidence is this. Number 1, first make a hard copy of the entirety of that social media account. Number 2, provide that hard copy information to your criminal defense lawyer immediately. Number 3, now delete the account. In this way, you are not tampering or destroying evidence, you're simply changing the form of it. And by providing it to your criminal defense lawyer, it's now their problem. If you have any questions or comments about managing your social media accounts after you've been arrested or charged, or if you are under criminal investigation, then add them down in the comment section below and I will respond to those. You can also discuss this issue with your criminal defense lawyer to help get some guidance on how to proceed. I appreciate you being here and watching this video about managing your social media accounts after your arrest, and I appreciate you being a part of the Gustitislaw community. I look forward to seeing you next time at Gustitislaw.